During the Republic of China era, the public water supply in the Tainan area was provided by two major systems, the Tainan Water Supply System and the Nansi-Yujing Water Supply System. The Tainan Water Supply System consisted of the Shanshang Water Purification Station, Wushantou Water Purification Station, Baihe Water Purification Station, Jingmian Water Purification Station, Nanhua Water Purification Station, Zengwen Water Purification Station, and Tanding Water Purification Station, supplying nearly the entire Tainan area. The Nansi-Yujing water supply system was composed of the Nanyu Water Purification Station, supplying the Yujing and Nansi districts. The Tainan area serves a population of approximately 1.8 million people, with a total output of about 1.2 million cubic meters per day from the purification stations of the two major systems. Among them, the Nanhua Water Purification Station provides the largest share, with a capacity of 650,000 cubic meter per day. The Wushantou Water Purification Station follows with 245,000 cubic meters per day, the Tanding Water Purification Station with 180,000 cubic meters per day, the Zengwen Water Purification Station with 65,000 cubic meters per day, the Shanshang Water Purification Station with 45,000 cubic meters per day, and the smaller portions are provided by the Baihe Water Purification Station with 7,000 cubic meters per day, the Nanyu Water Purification Station with 7,800 cubic meters per day, and the Jingmian Water Purification Station with 4,500 cubic meters per day. The primary sources of public water supply in the Tainan area are Wushantou Reservoir, Baihe Reservoir, Zengwen Reservoir, Jingmian Reservoir, Nanhua Reservoir, and Yufeng. Wushantou Reservoir, completed in 1930, draws water from the Zengwen River and has an annual supply capacity of approximately 6.98 million cubic meters. Its main purposes are the irrigation of the Tainan Plain and providing water for public supply, mainly supplying the Wushantou, Tanding, and Shanshang water purification stations. Baihe Reservoir, completed in 1965, draws water from the Jishui River and has an annual supply capacity of approximately 220,000 cubic meters. Its main purposes are flood control, irrigation, and public water supply, with the Baihe Water Purification Station being the primary recipient of its public water supply. Zengwen Reservoir, completed in 1973, is the largest reservoir in Taiwan, drawing water from the Zengwen River with an annual supply capacity of approximately 8.51 million cubic meters. Its main purposes are flood control, irrigation, and public water supply, and it works in conjunction with Wushantou Reservoir to provide irrigation and municipal and industrial water to the Tainan area. A portion of its water is also supplied to the downstream Nanyu Water Purification Station for treatment. Jingmian Reservoir, completed in 1980, draws water from the Zengwen River and has an annual supply capacity of approximately 8,300 cubic meters. Its main purposes are irrigation and public water supply, with the Jingmian Water Purification Station being the primary recipient for public water supply. Additionally, to facilitate water allocation, Jingmian Reservoir also serves as a backup water source for Nanhua Reservoir. Nanhua Reservoir, completed in 1993, is located on the Hojue River, a tributary of the Zengwen River, about 10 kilometers from Zengwen Reservoir. It draws water from the Zengwen River and has an annual supply capacity of approximately 2.9 million cubic meters. Its sole purpose is public water supply, making it a crucial reservoir for the public water supply in the Tainan area, primarily supplying the Nanhua Water Purification Station. Yufeng, completed in 1999, draws water from the Zengwen River and has an annual supply capacity of approximately 200,000 cubic meters. Its primary purpose is public water supply, serving as a water source for the Shanshang Water Purification Station. Shanshang Water Purification Station, formerly known as Tainan Waterworks, was completed in 1922 during the Japanese colonial period, 8 years earlier than Wushantou Reservoir. It is one of the most historically significant facilities for municipal water supply in Tainan. During the Republic of China era, new facilities were continuously constructed at the purification station, making it a crucial source of municipal water in Tainan. The station is designed to produce 45,000 cubic meters of water per day. Its water source is drawn from the Zengwen River, and to ensure a stable water supply, the Yufeng Weir was later constructed on the Zengwen River. Yufeng Weir is located on the Zengwen River between the Shanshang and Danyi districts, and it was completed in 1999. The weir was primarily constructed to stabilize the water intake for the Shanshang Water Purification Station. It intercepts water from the upstream section of the Zengwen River, with a planned storage capacity of approximately 500,000 cubic meters and a full water level elevation of 10.4 meters. Due to the relatively unstable water quality, after the first treatment at the Shanshang Water Purification Station, the water needs to be sent to the Tanding Water Purification Station for a second treatment before it can be supplied for municipal and industrial use. The main facilities of Yufeng Weir include the inflatable rubber dam, sluice gate, fishway, both the new and old water intake works, and the operation and electrical rooms. Downstream, there is a ground sill work composed of concrete blocks and honeycomb-shaped wave dissipation blocks. The water purification facilities at the Shanshang Water Purification Station include the intake work, rear mixer, primary flocculation basin, primary sedimentation basin, flash mixer, secondary flocculation basin, sedimentation tank, rapid sand filter, clear water reservoir, wastewater basin, sludge thickener, and sludge drying bed. The water purification process at the Shanshang Water Purification Station involves drawing raw water from the Zengwen River through the intake work into the station's rear mixer. The water then flows through the primary flocculation and sedimentation basins, flash mixer, and secondary flocculation and sedimentation, before entering the rapid sand filter. Finally, the water is stored in the clear water reservoir before being sent to the Tanding Water Purification Station for secondary treatment. The primary water source for the Baihe Water Purification Station is Baihe Reservoir, with a designed output capacity of 7,000 cubic meters per day. The station mainly supplies municipal and industrial water to the Baihe area. Baihe Reservoir is located in Baihe District, Tainan City, and is an on-stream reservoir constructed in 1965. The reservoir covers an area of approximately 170 hectares and has a designed storage capacity of 25 million cubic meters. It is a multifunctional reservoir serving purposes such as irrigation, flood control, and public water supply. The dam of Baihe Reservoir is a rolled-fill earthen dam with a concrete core wall. The main dam has a height of 42.8 meters and a length of 210 meters. The spillway of Baihe Reservoir is located on the right side of the main dam and features a gate-controlled OG design. The spillway is 337 meters long and is equipped with 3 arched floodgates, each 8 meters wide and 5.54 meters high, which control the discharge flow. The outlet works of Baihe Reservoir include the main outlet works and the Fenqihu outlet works. The main outlet works are located on the right bank of the reservoir's main dam, where an intake tower draws water, and a portion of it is diverted to the Baishui River outlet works. This water is then conveyed through tunnels and culverts to irrigate the Baishui River. The Fenqihu outlet works, on the other hand, draw water through an intake tower on the left bank and deliver it to irrigate the Fenqihu mainline. Baihe Reservoir primarily supplies irrigation water for the farmlands in Baihe and Dongshan districts, as well as part of Hebei district in Tainan City. It also provides industrial water for Taiwan Pulp and Paper Corporation Xining Paper Mill, and serves as a water source for the Baihe Water Purification Station. The water purification facilities at the Baihe Water Purification Station include sedimentation tanks, slow sand filters, and a clear water reservoir. The water purification process at the Baihe Water Purification Station involves raw water from Baihe Reservoir flowing through sedimentation tanks, followed by filtration through slow sand filters. The treated water is then stored in the clear water reservoir before being distributed to the Baihe district for residential use. The primary water source for the Wushantou Water Purification Station, Tanding Water Purification Station, and Zengwen Water Purification Station is Wushantou Reservoir. The combined output of these three purification stations is approximately 500,000 cubic meters, accounting for 40% of the total water output in the Tainan area. Wushantou Reservoir was constructed in 1920 and completed in 1930, serving as one of the primary water sources for the Tainan area. The reservoir is located upstream of Guantian River, a tributary of the Zengwen River, and sources its water from both Guantian River and trans-basin diversions from the Zengwen River. As an off-stream reservoir, its initial purpose was to supply irrigation water for the Qianan Plain. After the completion of Zengwen Reservoir, Wushantou Reservoir had an ample water supply. In addition to providing irrigation and hydroelectric power, its surplus water is delivered through the Qianan irrigation channel to supply municipal and industrial water for the greater Tainan area. Wushantou Reservoir is equipped with the Wushanliang Water Diversion Tunnel, which channels water from the nearby Zengwen River into the reservoir watershed. The main dam of Wushantou Reservoir utilizes a natural low-lying valley formed by upstream bifurcations, creating a coral-shaped reservoir for water storage. This dam is currently the only remaining semi-hydraulic scouring earth rock dam structure in the world. The spillway is a natural overflow chute with holes at the top designed to block large floating debris. When the reservoir water level exceeds an elevation of 58.18 meters, the spillway naturally discharges the excess water into Guantian River. Due to the inability of Guantian River to sufficiently fill Wushantou Reservoir, the Wushanliang Water Diversion Tunnel was constructed to divert water from the Zengwen River across the watershed into Wushantou Reservoir for storage and use. The Wushanliang Water Diversion Tunnel was completed in November 1929, with a total length of 3.1 kilometers. The project included the construction of the Donko Weir, the Water Diversion Tunnel, and the Shiko Weir. The purpose of the Donko Diversion Weir is to intercept water from the Zengwen River and direct it through the Donko Tunnel into Wushantou Reservoir for regulation and use. The intake of Donko is located approximately 40 meters upstream from the Donko Weir, with a maximum intake capacity of 56.6 cubic meters per second. An emergency gate is installed at the tunnel entrance following the control gate. The Shiko Weir is located in the upstream valley of the main tributary of Wushantou Reservoir. Upstream of the Shiko Weir, a funnel-shaped vertical shaft is installed to extract raw water. The site of the stream water flowing into the shaft is known as the Heavenly Well Whirlpool. The new Wushanliang Water Diversion Tunnel is located 80 meters downstream from the old Donko Weir and was constructed to supplement the insufficient water conveyance capacity of the old Water Diversion Tunnel. Construction officially began at the end of 2013, and the tunnel was completed and put into operation in 2021. The new Donko Weir is a vertical drop-type weir, with an OG-shaped intake. It is equipped with 8 winch-operated gates. The old water conveyance system was completed in 1930, and in 1997, a new water conveyance system was constructed. The old system was then relegated to serve as a supplementary and regulatory water source. The water diversion canal is located downstream of the water conveyance chamber, with a length of 1,634 meters. The water flows to the bifurcation workstation of the Qianan Management Office, Irrigation Agency, where it splits into the southern and northern main lines of the Qianan irrigation channel. Wushantou Reservoir, originally built during the Japanese colonial period to irrigate the Qianan Plain, has become an important source of municipal water for the Tainan area after the completion of Zengwen Reservoir ensured an ample water supply. The water purification facilities in the Tainan area originated from the Tainan Waterworks established during the Japanese colonial period, and the water supply infrastructure continued to expand during the Republic of China era. The main water sources for these purification stations include Baihe Reservoir, Wushantou Reservoir, Zengwen Reservoir, and Nanhua Reservoir. In this episode, we have introduced Shanshang Water Purification Station, Baihe Water Purification Station, Baihe Reservoir, and Wushantou Reservoir. In the next episode, we will continue with Zengwen Reservoir, Nanyu Water Purification Station, Wushantou Water Purification Station, Tanding Water Purification Station, and Nanhua Water Purification Station, which holds the highest share of municipal water supply in the Tainan area. We will also cover Nanhua Reservoir, which serves the sole function of providing public water supply. Stay tuned!